Welcome back to Echo English Moments. I'm Lily, your guide to mastering everyday English with confidence and ease.
And I'm Tom, here to make learning practical and fun. Hello, everyone.
In our A Day with Lily series, we dive into real-life situations to help you speak English naturally and fluently.
Today, we're focusing on something important for parents or guardians attending a parent-teacher meeting at school.
Talking to a teacher about your child's progress can feel a bit intimidating, especially if English isn't your first language.
Don't worry. We'll guide you through every step, from scheduling the meeting to discussing your child's performance, with simple phrases and helpful tips.
Plus, we'll share practical advice to make these meetings productive and stress-free. Ready to get started? Let's go! First, you need to arrange the parent-teacher meeting, usually by phone or email.
Start with, "Hello, I'd like to schedule a parent-teacher meeting for my child."
Or try, "Hi, can I book a meeting with Miss Smith to discuss my child's progress?"
If you have a specific time in mind, say, "Is there an appointment available next Tuesday afternoon?"
You might also ask, "How long will the meeting last?"
And confirm, "Can you send me the details of the meeting time and location?"
Being clear and polite sets a positive tone for the meeting. Once you've scheduled the meeting, confirm the details to avoid confusion. Say, "I just want to confirm my meeting with Mr. Brown on Friday at 3 p.m.
Or, "Can you let me know if the meeting is in person or online?" If you need to reschedule, try, "I'm sorry, I can't make it on Thursday. Is there another time available?"
You can also ask, "Should I bring anything to the meeting, like my child's homework?"
And who will be attending the meeting from the school? These questions help you prepare and show you're engaged.
When you arrive at the school, greet the staff politely to make a good impression.
Say, "Hello, I'm here for a parent-teacher meeting with Miss Johnson."
Or, "Hi, can you tell me where room 204 is for my meeting?"
If you're early, try, "I'm a bit early. Where can I wait until the meeting starts?"
You might also say, "Is there a sign-in sheet for parents?"
And "Thank you for helping me find the meeting room."
A warm greeting sets a friendly tone for the discussion. When the meeting begins, introduce yourself and thank the teacher.
Say, "Hi, I'm Alex, Emma's parent. Thanks for meeting with me today."
Or, "Hello, it's nice to meet you. I'm here to talk about my son's progress."
You can add, "I really appreciate the work you're doing with my child."
If you're nervous, Try, I'm excited to hear how my daughter is doing in class.
And can we start with an overview of my child's performance?
These phrases help start the conversation on a positive note. To understand your child's schoolwork, ask specific questions.
Say, how is my child doing in math and reading?
Or, are there any subjects where my child is excelling?
For areas of concern, try, does my child need extra help with any subjects?
You might also ask, what are my child's strengths in class?
And how does my child compare to others in the class?
These questions show you're invested in your child's learning. It's also important to talk about your child's behavior and social skills.
Say, how does my child behave during class?
Or, does my child get along well with classmates?
If you're concerned, try, have you noticed any behavior issues I should know about?
You can also ask, is my child participating actively in group activities?
And are there ways I can support my child's social skills at home?
These questions help you understand your child's classroom experience. Homework is a big part of school, so ask about it.
Say, is my child completing their homework on time?
Or, how much time should my child spend on homework each night?
For support, try, are there resources to help my child with difficult assignments?
You might also ask, does my child ask for help when they're stuck on homework?
And can you recommend ways to make homework easier for my child?
These questions help you support your child's learning at home. Many schools use technology for learning, so ask how it's integrated.
Say, how does my child use computers or tablets in class?
Or, are there online tools my child should be using at home?
For clarity, try, does the school have a website with learning resources?
You might also ask, is my child comfortable using the classroom technology?
And are there any apps you recommend for extra practice?
These questions help you align home support with school tools. If your child needs extra help, ask about support options.
Say, are there tutoring programs available for my child?
Or, does the school offer extra help for students struggling in math?
For specific needs, try, can my child get support for reading difficulties?
You might also ask, is there a counselor my child can talk to if needed?
And how can I work with the school to support my child's needs?
These questions show you're proactive about your child's success. Come prepared with your own questions to make the meeting productive.
Say, what can I do at home to help my child improve in science?
Or, are there upcoming projects or tests I should know about?
For involvement, try, are there volunteer opportunities for parents at school?
You might also ask, how often will I receive updates on my child's progress?
And can I contact you if I have more questions later?
Asking thoughtful questions builds a strong partnership with the teacher. Before the meeting ends, discuss next steps or follow-up plans.
Say, can we schedule another meeting in a few months to check in?
Or, how will I know if my child is improving in their weak areas?
You might ask, will you send a report card or progress update soon?
Also, can I email you with updates about my child's progress at home?
And what's the best way to stay in touch with you?
These questions ensure ongoing communication with the teacher. Wrap up the meeting with gratitude and positivity.
Say, thank you so much for your time and insights today.
Or, I really appreciate everything you're doing for my child.
You can add, I'm excited to work together to support my child's learning.
If you have final thoughts, try, I'll make sure to follow up on your suggestions.
And thanks again. See you at the next school event.
A polite goodbye leaves a lasting positive impression. Let's practice key phrases to make them stick. Repeat after us.
I'd like to schedule a parent-teacher meeting.
I'd like to schedule a parent-teacher meeting.
Can you confirm my meeting on Friday?
Can you confirm my meeting on Friday?
Where is the meeting room located?
Where is the meeting room located?
Thanks for meeting with me today.
Thanks for meeting with me today.
How is my child doing in math?
How is my child doing in math?
Does my child behave well in class?
Does my child behave well in class?
Is my child completing their homework?
Is my child completing their homework?
Are there online tools for learning?
Are there online tools for learning?
Can my child get extra help with reading?
Can my child get extra help with reading?
What can I do to help at home?
What can I do to help at home?
Can we schedule a follow-up meeting?
Can we schedule a follow-up meeting?
What's the best way to stay in touch with you?
What's the best way to stay in touch with you?
I'll make sure to follow up on your suggestions.
I'll make sure to follow up on your suggestions. Wow, we have covered so much about attending a parent-teacher meeting in English today.
From booking the appointment to discussing your child's progress, you're now ready to handle these conversations with confidence.
Remember to be polite, ask clear questions, and take notes to stay organized.
Practice these phrases and you'll feel prepared for any school meeting.
These tips and expressions will help you connect with teachers and support your child's education no matter where you are.
Thanks for joining us on A Day with Lily. Keep learning and stay involved.
This was Echo English Moments. See you in the next episode.